Okay, so after a whole week of no Black Clover news, we finally have the spoilers for chapter 301 of Black Clover. And things have changed in this chapter. In fact, there is a big reveal in this chapter which I am very excited to tell you guys about. But before starting, there's a little disclaimer for all you guys that these are just leaks, so things can actually change a lot with the official translation. So please wait for the official translation and let's get started. Okay, so the chapter starts with a beautiful shot from the back of Noel looking at Asta, and we can see that Asta is carrying Lord Pachika and his anti-magic is not working on the curse. Totally confused by this fact, Asta asks Liebe that what is happening. He's totally confused about this. Then Liebe explains that the curse of Megicula cannot be erased by anti-magic. By the way, if you are new to the channel and don't want to miss the spoilers for next week Black Clover chapter, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's continue. We have a lot of hype stuff to cover. Okay, continuing, Liebe says that at this point there is no way both of them can perform Devil Union again, which means that Asta in no way or shape or form can even attack Megicula at this point because he's just not strong enough. In the next panel we see that Undine comes and actually creates a water spear of protection around Asta, and Asta says thanks for protecting me, and Undine from other side says that the very thank you for you to protect Lord Pachika. But you can see that right now the curse has not been taken away from Lord Pachika, which means that she's still just what you can say unconscious due to Gaja's technique and all, but right now she is not conscious and is still in the curse of Megicula. But continuing, we see that Asta says I am done, I cannot use any of my power right now, I cannot use my unite form with Devil or Liebe you can say. So Noel, everything is up on you, I cannot do anything from this point forward. All I was able to do was protect Lord Pachika, which in my form my thinking is really good. Tabata is clearly separating the fight of Noel and Asta, although Asta will be there for safety backup, if anything bad happens and 15 minutes have passed we can see his Devil Unite form. But right now Asta is yeah man, this is not my fight, please take care of it Noel. So yeah, it is amazing to see this. Okay, so now let's move into the controversial part of this chapter. So what next Megicula does is create an army of dead, and all these zombies were the past the people Megicula actually tried to hold capture so that she can again become a devil in the real life in the human realm. But of course they were all the test subject and end up being failure, so it was around 100 people which is given here. But that's not the important part. The important part is that the half of their body is the metal sculpture on them, and other half is young Naruto shit. When we saw that the zombies were coming out, a lot of I don't remember that character. If you guys remember, comment it down below. But they look actually resemble a lot like them, a half black body and half metal body in place of white body. It looked awful similar, and I can say that many people will go again comparing Black Clover to Naruto. Oh yeah, now they again copied something from Naruto. Oh, I cannot see Shonen not copying anything from Naruto and previous successors and the big mangas of course. So yeah, this is there. By the way, I am having a lot of cold, so my voice might not be best at this time. So continuing, we see that Charlotte is finally back, and not only Charlotte is back, guess who is back as well? Rill is finally back, and he comes in clutch. As we see that Rill has activated a support type thing which can enhance magic, but not only magic, it enables anyone to die. So depending upon the time this spell actually worked out, Gaza might not be dead yet. So it will be pretty interesting because Gaza might not be dead yet, but he can be breathing a bit, but his body has taken way over damage to actually protect him. So it can be that when Lord Pachika finally gets saved, we see Lord Pachika and Gaza talking a bit, having having a bit of conversation, and then Gaza died. But like yeah, there's a hope for Gaza's fans to like actually like relax and have a peace that Gaza might be alive. But moving forward, we see Charlotte uses her attack on the soldiers of Ted, and I don't know like if anything happened or not, because the chapter cuts off and we see that Megicula noticed something on the body of both Veronica and Lord Pachika, and we can see Veronica is not dead yet, which means that both Veronica and Lord Pachika are not dead yet, which means, sorry to repeating it, that Megicula cannot like totally 100% get into the real world. So seeing that Veronica is alive might be something that Veronica actually becomes a real rival to Noel, which will be pretty interesting to see, because like we can see that Veronica finally giving up on Megicula as she tried to take her body. So it will be pretty interesting. But not only that, we can see that curse has started to vanish a bit from both of their bodies, and we can see that Megicula at this point is really shocked at what is going on. So it can be that a third character is coming, because I don't see that in any way that anti-magic is again working on this, because I don't want anti-magic to be like a counter of everything we have seen in Black Clover, like magic, curse and everything. So anti-magic not working here is something I am really expecting to actually work. But moving forward, we see Noelle finally confessing her love for Asta, and let's go. Like this is what all of us Black Clover fans are waiting for, when Noelle will finally confess her love and like stop being a tsundere and finally say, yeah, like I actually am inspired by Asta and I like him. Like this is what actually happened. She says that when he came, it became a hope for him to actually win. And like Asta saying to Noelle like, oh, go ahead, I won't be able to help you anymore. This was the point for Noelle to say, oh my god, a strong person like Asta is saying he's relying on me to save and protect like all of us. Like this became an actual inspiration, and in the next page we see that she finally confessed her love for Asta. But not only she confesses her love for Asta, she also transformed into her spirit drive form, which might be something we will see, which will like be helping her to fight against Megicula. All over the chapter was really interesting for me to look at, but of course we don't have the translations yet, so I won't be banking on anything. Same goes for you guys. If you liked it, so like please like share your comments if you liked or not. But yeah, don't like make a fixed thought on this, that this is how the chapter is going to go out, because dialogues actually matter a lot in these type of situation, because this chapter does not have a lot of fight inside it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like comment down your thoughts. I think that this chapter is really solid, but we haven't seen Silva yet, we haven't seen many other characters yet, which I am really eager to see. So yeah, like give out your thoughts about this chapter, and see you guys in the next one.